What's the #1 affiliate program in 2022 that you don't have to pay for and you don't have to sell anything and you can earn high ticket commissions? Find out now in this video. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new video here on my channel where I'm going to tell you what the #1 affiliate program for 2022 is. And here's the catch. Here's the thing you've been waiting for. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to buy anything. And you don't have to use any internet marketing in order to do this, and you can still earn high ticket affiliate commissions. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to show you how it's done, and if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you access to a completely free course. Not a trial, not put your credit card in, we'll bill you later. I'm talking completely free course that teaches you exactly how to do this. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is affiliate marketing? That's a good question. So let me break it down for you and make it super simple. For people who are beginners that are getting online and they're trying to make their first dollar, or they're just trying to figure out how do I do this online thing? It's really difficult to focus on all the different pieces of the puzzle. The puzzle to making money on the internet is kind of a great puzzle. Let's pull up my whiteboard and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So the puzzle to this is, obviously, the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out how are we going to get traffic, meaning how are we going to get customers. That's one piece of the puzzle. The second piece of the puzzle is we have to build the business, right? So that means we got to build funnels, we got to build websites, we got to do all this complicated stuff, right? And then the third part of the puzzle is we have to provide, right? So we have to provide. What are we going to provide? What is our product, right? So we have to have kind of like the funnel that's going to sell this thing. So we basically send traffic to the sales funnel, and the sales funnel will create sales of whatever our product is that we are going to provide to people. This creates an awful lot of work, right? Because it's three different things. With affiliate marketing, what we do is we say, hey, we're not going to build this and we're not going to provide that. The only thing we're going to focus on is this, just send customers, right? And when we send customers to those businesses and they buy something, we get what we call an affiliate commission, okay? So we get an affiliate commission, and that affiliate commission, obviously, is our fee, like what we get paid for doing the thing that we did, which is bringing that business a customer. So this is just referral marketing, right? This is how I started out online. To be honest with you, this is how most super successful people start out. They start out as affiliates because it allows you to focus on the one thing. How do I get traffic? I don't have to worry about funnels and businesses and providing products and building a product and all that stuff, right? Well, what are the problems with affiliate marketing? Well, #1 problem, okay, the #1 problem with this, and this is something that I always have preached and teached, right? #1 problem is usually it's small commissions, right? So usually it's small commissions, right? I get a percentage of whatever this person spends at this company. A lot of times these commissions are anywhere from, I don't know, $5 up to maybe even $1,000, right? But they're small ticket commissions, which means you have to make a lot of sales in order to make this happen. #2 problem is you have to sell, right? I mean, look, when you're promoting other businesses, you're promoting things that people have to buy. Okay, so you're sending traffic to somebody and you're hoping that business or that somebody can actually make a sale. That's one of the hardest things in the world to do, is ask people, reach in your pocket, give me your credit card and buy this thing. Doesn't mean affiliate marketing doesn't work. Doesn't mean affiliate marketing isn't a good thing to do. It just means affiliate marketing as it is today, okay, in 2022, as we go into 2023, it's hard. It's harder than it used to be when I started out 20 years ago. All these people that tell you, oh, just make affiliate commissions, they're full of crap. It's not easy. There's a lot of competition. The cost is high. How do we find the affiliate programs that are worth having? How do we find the affiliate programs that are going to pay us the most money? This is difficult, but here's the thing. I have found a unicorn in the affiliate marketing space. I couldn't believe it at first. I didn't believe it at first, but I did my research. I did my due diligence, and I figured out what I think is the #1 affiliate program for 2022, and it doesn't require you to sell anything. It doesn't require anybody to buy anything, and it can pay you mega commissions. I have students right now that are owed six-figure commissions from this particular affiliate program. They spent no money, okay? So I'm not giving you these earnings claims telling you buy this thing and you can make this money. No, I'm just giving you free information, completely free. And you're going to get access to my course. I'll show you right now. This is my course right here. You're going to get this completely free. Let me zoom in and show you. This is not some basic course. There's lots of modules in here, right? Sessions, modules. And these modules, they're not super short. This is 6 minutes long. Okay, this is 13 minutes long. There's a lot of different things going on in here. So why am I teaching you this and what is it? Okay, well, I'm going to break it down for you super quick here on my whiteboard. All right, this affiliate program, it's called the ERC program. All right, and I'm going to give you a very basic understanding of this, and then I'm going to allow you to get this course completely free to show you how this is done. ERC affiliate program. Basically, during COVID, okay, the government released what they call the PPP program and the ERC program. All right, you have probably heard of this program. Most everybody got that program. They did not get their ERC credits. This is not a loan. This is not a loan, okay? This is not a loan. It is a credit for your payroll taxes, meaning it is not a handout from the government. It is not a loan from the government. It is free money that is due back to small business owners who have been impacted by COVID, all right? So most people got the PPP money. They did not get the ERC money, and therefore they didn't qualify for it. Under the old administration, you could get one or the other. So it was one or the other, right? But now you can get both if you qualify, okay? You can get both if you qualify. Doesn't mean that every business does, just means that if they do qualify, they can actually get both, which means it opens back up this program that they didn't know about. There are hundreds, I want you to hear me, hundreds of billions set aside for this program. Hundreds of billions. So how do you make money with this? Well, it's real simple. There's all these, we're going to call these small businesses, okay? So we're going to call these businesses out here, okay? And then there's this ERC money, right? And we want to help them get the ERC money. The problem is most of those small businesses don't know how to fill out the paperwork. They don't know how to, it's not easy, right? And so there's a company that's set up right here, right? We'll call this the ERC paperwork company. It has a name. I give you the name inside of my course, okay? And what that company wants is they want more businesses to come into them, okay? And they help those businesses get the ERC money. Now, why would they do that? And they do it, by the way, completely free. They do this work free. Why? Because they only take a fee if the business owner gets a check. So here's what that means. That means that they will do all the paperwork. They will do the whole process for this business owner. And if that business owner qualifies for money, and if that business owner gets the check from the government in their hand, then and only then do they pay the company that did the work for them. It is completely risk-free. There's zero risk, okay? So how do you make money in this? I'm going to break it down. This company right here, they charge 10 to 30% fee, okay? So if we give you an example, and I want this to be a clear that this is an example, okay? This is an example. If the business owner gets $1 million in ERC funding, the company fee, if it was 20%, 20% would be $200,000. Your cut, your commission is 10% of this number. It's 10% of what they take as a fee, which means you would actually make $20,000. $20,000. This is incredible. I'm going to tell you right now that you might be sitting there thinking to yourself, I need to know more about this. I'm not really sure about this. That's fine. There's a link right below this video. I want you to click it. It's going to take you to get access to my course completely free. There are no strings attached. I do not ask you to pay me any money. I do not ask you to put in your credit card information. This is not a free trial. It is free. Why is it free? Because I get a second-tier commission on this. If you get in and I teach you in this program how to do this and you go get a deal done and you make, 20 grand, well, I'm going to get paid too. So it doesn't come out of your money. I'm just getting paid too. Right now, our community of students have gotten deals done that are in the, I can't even explain. They're in the high, 8 figures. We have a massive amount of students that are getting deals done. And some of these deals are just crazy, crazy big. Crazy big. You would never even think that this kind of money could be achieved, that this kind of money was owed to businesses, but it is. Now, I am not guaranteeing you you're going to make money. I am not guaranteeing you that this is going to make you rich beyond your wildest dreams. I am simply informing you that this exists and it is a limited time offer. Why? Because the ERC program ends in about 740 days. That's when that program expires. 740 days from the day I'm filming this video, right? So by the time you watch it, it'll be less, okay? That means if you want to get in on this opportunity, you need to do it now. There's a link right below where you can partner with me to do that, okay? You literally get into my course. I teach you. I let you into my community. There's over 8,000 people in this community right now that we are teaching every single day how to do this. If you are not from the United States, do not worry. I have a student in Australia who has literally made more deals and more commissions than anybody else in our whole entire community. She doesn't even live in the United States of America. Now, it's worth stating, all of my students that have made commissions on this, they don't get paid those commissions until the business gets paid from the government, okay? So it's a process. We get the deal done. We know how much money that the business is owed. We know how much of a fee this company is going to get. So therefore, we know what our commission is. And we simply just wait for that process to happen. Wait for the business to get paid, and then everybody else gets paid their commissions. I teach you all of this inside of the course. So there's a link right below. I want you to click it, and I want you to get this completely free, okay? And I want you to leave me a comment below and let me know, what did you think about this video? What did you think about this opportunity? I bet you've never heard of this. Most people want to tout all these affiliate commission programs that they can sell you. I don't have anything to sell you. I'm just going to make money when you make money. I'm going to succeed if you succeed. If my course is right, my training is correct, and I teach you how to do something that actually works, well, then it'll pay for my time for filming this video and putting this out there. If this video is a bunch of crap and it's not really true, well, then I'm not going to make any money and you're not going to spend any money. So you don't have anything to lose. I want you to click the link. I want you to click the link that you see below right now, and I want you to get in on this program right this minute, okay? It is completely free. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this, and smash the like button. I want you to make sure that you like this video so that we can share it with more people. The whole idea is to build a massive community of people that are doing this, that are helping each other. They're finding little ways that they can do this successfully. You can help not only other people, but yourself by sharing this with people. So click that like button, let YouTube know to share this with other people. Make sure you leave us a comment and let us know what you thought about this. Click that link, get enrolled, be a part of this. Get access to this completely free, and I'll see you next time with another affiliate marketing training.